front of me is Realme 16 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on this section called accessibility and convenience. Now scroll again, this time to tap on this section called one-handed mode. And use this switcher to activate it. Unfortunately, if you are using Tricky's navigation, you won't be able to use one-handed mode. It only works if you are using gestures. So let's switch to gestures now by tapping on settings in the pop-up, tapping on gestures, and over here you can select learn to see a quick guide or tap on cancel. Then go back and use the same switcher. This time it will turn blue. To use one-handed mode, follow those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. And when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. Now to go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same no blue switcher. To go back to Tricky's navigation, go back to main section of settings, tap on System and Update, and in it select System Navigation. To tap on buttons after swiping up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!